Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look on the gold market as usual in the second video. So on the daily chart we previously talked about the reversal session that has been formed 2 days ago, and usually, as we said, the reversal sessions lead to some deeper retracement on the intraday charts. So usually any reversal session has the following another black candle after it. So or the white candle if this bullish reversal. So it means that when you see a reversal session on the daily chart, it's more logical to expect a kind of the ABCD retracement on the intraday chart rather than just one leg retracement. So as you can see on the daily chart, price action mostly stands quiet, and the recent session actually was inside session to the reversal one, so no big action we see on the daily. So most activity stands on the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that the flag pattern that we have discussed yesterday has been broken down, but currently guys we have more than just one scenario for continuation, and all of them stands on the hourly chart. The one thing that I would like to mention here is take a look that the OP target coincides with the 1618 extension with this most recent leg. What does it mean? It means that if market will keep current lows untouched and valid, I mean this one, these lows, and they are currently stands untouched, we could get direct upward continuation right here. It's one of the possible scenarios now exist. This is the first scenario that I would like to mention on the hourly chart, and it coincides with the OP target of this ABC bottom, our major ABCD pattern. On the hourly chart we have more scenarios. So on the first of all, you can see how our guided triple to sell worked nice yesterday, and the first leg down has happened. And the reversal session mostly suggests that we could get a kind of the ABCD. This is a scenario we have talked about yesterday. This ABCD should lead us to the major conference around 1195, and thus potentially was the point where we agreed to think about taking the long position. So actually that's the level that we're watching for. The butterfly that could be formed we already have discussed, but another pattern that we could get here opposite to the butterfly, actually we could get a bit larger guardrail triple to sell. This could become AB leg, right? So and that could become BC leg, CD leg. It's also possible. So this ABCD we now do not need anymore because market dropped below the C point, and the potential new C point could stand right here. In this case we will have this kind of the pattern. This extension also we don't need anymore. I will delete it. So that's another pattern that could be formed. So if market will proceed higher and taking out of this top, this could be a bit larger ABCD, and in this case we still could get this ABCD pattern, but maybe it will not hit the 1195 precisely. So as you can see, we have three possible scenarios on the hourly chart right now. What does it mean? How to play them? So depending on what you would like to do. If you believe in upward continuation right from this area, you need to decide about taking the position right now, because take a look, that market stands very close to these lows, and that's the point where you could place very tight stop. If market will still fail and start dropping, your loss will be minimal. When the market will move to the D point, you could make your stop to the break-even, just watch whether this pattern will turn to the butterfly or not. If not, In this case, you could take just small profit or just leave position and wait when the market will close you by the break-even stop, if downward action will follow. If market will accelerate higher, well, you will be very well, and you will have the nice position. That's those of you who would like to take the long position. To go in short right now, I do not see really big sense, because this should be done yesterday when we have talked about this guardrail triple to sell. Currently, it's a bit not good position for taking the short position. Another pattern that probably could be formed, for example, because we can't forget about the reversal. We should not forget about it. It's a reversal session. This could become the butterfly, guys. Downside, it's also possible. Right here, this could become left wing of the butterfly. This could become right, and this will be 1195 precisely, 161 extension down. That's what we will be going to take the long position. So that's what we see right now. So if you do not want to take the preliminary risk in trying to jump right now, taking more risk, taking the long position, wait for clarity. For example, if you will get here, you will have the pattern on your back. This will be the butterfly, will be completed. ABCD pattern here. So be guardrail triple to buy, large pattern. So as you can see, market provides a lot of options for different trading setups. So my personal opinion, guys, is if I would like to go long, with taking in mind the reversal session that we have on the daily, because it's higher time frame, and the patterns that you see on the higher time frame has more value than compared to what you see on intraday charts. I would wait for clarity about the possible drop right back down, because this level in general more attractive for taking long. And here also the butterfly could be formed that will give us additional confidence for taking the long position. That's the point that personally I would prefer to wait for taking the long position. And yes, you could miss the motion if, for example, market will start up correction right from here. But if this will happen, you could still will have the time to take some position on the retracement if the upward action will start. But at this case, you will already will know that action is started, and it's time for making a decision on taking the long. But currently, it's still not as obvious as it could be. That's why I prefer to get some more confidence, more insurance for taking the long position in current circumstances. So that's our situation on the gold market, and see what changes we will get in today's session.